Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Paul and let's get cooking. Hey all, welcome back. Great to see you again. Today we're going to be making ricotta cheese. Ricotta cheese is extremely easy cheese to make. You can make it anywhere that you like. All you need is 4 ingredients: milk, cream, lemon juice, and salt. That is all you need. You bring it up to heat, you use the lemon juice to create the curd, and then you strain the liquid to create that curd, so you got your ricotta cheese. You can use ricotta cheese in anything you like. It's a very versatile cheese. Guys, sit back, let me show you how we cook this. Okay, we'll start with a nice large pot, and we're going to put the 2 liters of whole milk into the pot. I use a real good full cream milk. Usually try to get an organic. The flavor is just that much better. And the 1 cup of cream goes in with it, and then we'll grab a teaspoon of salt and mix it in. Some people like to do it at the end. I like to do it at the beginning, so that way as it heats, it really infuses the salt into the milk. We'll give it a stir, and we're just going to let it sit and come up to temperature. So it's sitting about a medium heat. We'll get our lemon juice ready, 5 to 6 tablespoons of lemon, and then we'll sit back and wait till it comes to temperature. We're looking for about 94 degrees Celsius, which is about 200 Fahrenheit. Those are the 2 temperatures, 94 Celsius and 200 Fahrenheit. We'll get our cheesecloths ready with our strainer with a large bowl underneath to catch all the whey. The whey is the liquid that is left over from the cheese. And I like to heat it up at a medium heat, nice and easy. Take its time until it reaches the 94 degrees so it doesn't overboil. Otherwise it just could ruin your cheese. And yep, ready to go. Onto the counter. You can leave it on the stove if you want, no problem. Just turn off your burner. Drop in your lemon juice. And then gently with a spoon, I like to use a plastic spoon, as you'll notice. I will gently stir it and get that acid right to the ricotta. The acid is what separates the solids from the liquid. A very easy old process. You can also use distilled vinegar if you want. Depends on the flavor tonality that you want in. I like it lemony, so that's why I use the lemon. Gives you a bit more versatility. And after about 15 to 20 minutes, you can look nice and lumpy. You can see it separated. If you move, you can see the liquid underneath. It's clear of solids. It's pretty much got this sort of yellowish tone to it. And it's good to go. So we'll take it and we'll strain it to our cheesecloth. Just be really careful because it's still a bit warm, and make sure the bowl is large enough. In this occasion, I started with a medium strainer, so I had to actually go back and get another strainer to do 2 lots, because this renders about 500 grams of actual solid cheese. So then you let it sit in the counter, and if you notice here, and it'll speed it up, how it just drains away. And there are my 2 ricottas. You notice one is a little lumpier than the other one. That's because that's the leftovers from the bottom of the pot, but they're both just as good and creamy. Then you can do 1 of 2 things. Let it sit in the counter for 20 to 30 minutes and let it strain by itself. Or you can go ahead and grab it after it's strained for about 10-15 minutes and sort of twist the cheesecloth and give it a gentle squeeze and get some of the liquid out. This all depends how dry you want your ricotta. I have 2. One that you're looking at now is going to be semi-dry, so it'll still have a bit of moisture, and although you think that it might not, it still has plenty of moisture. And then another one, I'm going to actually let it really strain for about another hour hanging, just because I want to use it to make gnocchi. And for gnocchi, you want to have less humidity as possible. Otherwise, you don't get those fluffy, beautiful gnocchis. And if you notice here, I took just a plain stick, tied it to my back of my counter, rubber band over a bowl, and I let it strain there for a couple hours. Now the whey, the liquid that's left, is very high in protein. Don't throw it away. I bottle it, keep it in the fridge. You can freeze it. You can use it for smoothies. Absolutely delicious. You can use it as water to make bread or pizza dough. Okay, so don't waste it. If you're not going to use it right away, cork it up, put it in the freezer. If you're going to use it within a couple of weeks, just put it in the fridge. It's beautiful stuff. And there you go. Just unwrap your cheesecloth and drop it into a plate. La ricotta. What a beautiful cheese. Creamy, got texture. It's just absolutely fantastic. Over fruit with a bit of honey, on bread, olive oil, salt, pepper, bit of lemon rind, on pasta, make gnocchis. This cheese will never fail you. You can make it anytime, anywhere. Enjoy it. Crusty bread, little olive oil, little salt, little grape paper. I put a little bit of lemon rind on it, and I love it this way. I have it this for a snack, I have it as an appetizer, you name it. Very easy to make, guys. It's a cheese that you can make anytime, keep in the fridge. It keeps for a couple of weeks. It's fantastic. You put it on top of pasta, so you can make gnocchis with it. There's so many things you can do with ricotta. It's really inexpensive, not time consuming, and it's absolutely delicious. Guys, once again, thank you for coming. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a like. And if you want to see more like this, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so that way when we post, we'll notify you right away. Thank you again to all the comments and feedback and all the new subscribers. Thank you for joining us. See you again next week. Keep spreading the word.